Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the case and phone. This matters because the orange light is usually a pairing or charging fault. First, make sure the case shows some charge, 20% or more. Once done, remove both AirPods and gently clean the metal contacts with a dry, soft brush. Debris blocks charging. Now, put AirPods back and go to Bluetooth on your iPhone. Choose Forget this device. That clears old pair data, so the reset can work properly. You now execute the hard reset. This is the core action. Close the lid for 30 seconds to let the case clear its temporary state, then open it and press the rear setup button. Hold firmly for 15 to 30 seconds until the LED flashes white. This indicates a full reset. Make sure the case stays on a flat surface and avoid touching pins. If you still see an orange light, wait 5 minutes. Then repeat the exact press and hold sequence to force the state change. You finish by repairing and verifying operation. This confirms the fix. With the white light state, open the case next to your iPhone and follow the on-screen pairing animation. Accept prompts and test audio. Then, make sure firmware is current by checking settings general about AirPods. Updates resolve many orange light causes. If the orange light returns, try a different lightning cable or charger and repeat. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.